Lesson 71, using the law of sines. So we're going to draw a triangle, ABC. Little a line, little a is across from the angle, and little b and little c. And then the height is perpendicular from angle B to side B. The area of this triangle is 1/2 times base times height. We have sine of A equals H over C. So if you notice that this is a right triangle here, so the sine is opposite over hypotenuse, okay? So it's H over C. If we multiply both sides by C, we get C times the sine of A equals the height. So we can plug in C times the sine of A for the height in our area formula. So the area equals 1/2 base times, or B times C times sine of A. We can find the area formula using sine of C and sine of B in the same method, like using the same method. So the area equals 1/2 AC times the sine of B, or A equals 1/2 AB times the sine of C. So the height would be B times sine C, or C times sine B, or C times sine A. Just depends on where you're looking at, or where your height is. It could even be straight down here too. Okay, so if we take, let's see, how am I doing that? 1/2 BC times sine A is going to equal 1/2 AC times sine B equals 1/2 AB times sine C. So in an equation, if we divide the sides by the same thing, so let's divide everything by 1/2 ABC. So we can simplify by canceling our 1/2. In this case, we can cancel the B and the C, and we get sine A divided by little a equals. We can cancel the 1/2, we can cancel the A and the C, and we have sine B over little b. Then we can cancel 1/2 AB, and we get sine C over little c. So this is actually our law of sines. If you take the sine of one angle over the length of the leg across from it, it's going to equal the sine of another angle over the leg of that. Anyway, this is the law of sines. So we're going to do an example. Find B to the nearest 10th. So we have this triangle, something like this. This is 56 degrees. This is 43 degrees. Capital A, B, C, little b, and 15. So we could do sine of A, or sine of 56 over 15 equals sine of 43 over B. Then we can cross multiply and divide. So we have 15 sine 43 divided by sine 56, and that's going to equal our B And so B, if you were to plug it into your calculator, you get approximately 12.3. That's a point. Whenever you see this problem, if it says solve triangle MNP, and that's all it says, that means you have to find all the angles and all the side lengths. So when it says solve, you're just looking to fill out the whole triangle. So here's our triangle as best we can. MNP, angle P is 76 degrees, angle M is 83 degrees. MP length is 22, MN we'll call little p, and NP we'll call little m. The measure of angle N is going to be 180 minus 76 minus 83, which is 21 degrees. Then we can use the law of sines and say sine of 21 divided by 22 equals the sine of 83 over little m. Cross multiply and divide. 22 times sine 83 divided by sine 21 is approximately 60.9. So we know that the little m is 60.9. And then to find the little p, we're going to do sine of 21 divided by 22 equals sine of 76 divided by little p. Then we're going to cross multiply and divide. 22 sine 76 divided by sine 21 is approximately 59.6. So we're going to talk about if the height is less than the side length across from A and less than the side length across from C. There's two possible triangles we can draw, so I'll show you both of those in a second. Yes, Sam? Approximately. Okay, so if H is less than A is less than C. No, H is less than A is less than C. Then there's two possible triangles we can make with that. H. So here's one of them. So here H is smaller than both A and C. And here's another one that's going to look like this. So H equals C times the sine of A, and measure angle C from each triangle. You have to add 180. Okay, wait, that I don't understand right now. Here, let's do an example. A, B, C. We're going to do two more examples, and then we'll be done. This is 25, that's 47, this is 46 degrees. And there's the height. So sine of 46 degrees equals h over 25. So we can find h by doing 25 times sine of 46. So that's this right here, c looks like b. Okay, this is approximately 18. So we can do the law of sines to find angle B. We have sine of 46 divided by 47 equals sine of B divided by 25. So the sine of B is going to equal 25 times sine 46 divided by 47, and then we take the inverse sine of both sides. And you get, well, the sine inverse of sine of B is just the measure of angle B. It's going to equal the sine inverse of this fraction, 25 sine 46 divided by 47. And that's going to be approximately 22.5 degrees. And then we could find measure angle C if we needed to by subtracting from 180, 46, and 22.5. Okay, here's another one. So sine of 21 equals h over 32. So we could do h is equal to 32 sine 21, which is approximately 11.5, which is less than 27, which is less than 32, which means we've got two different triangles that this could be, since the height is less than both those other two sides. So there's two possible measures for B. And this is how I find them. So we have the sine of B equals, so we're going to do, let's see, sine of B over 32. So this is going to be 32 sine of 21 over 27. So then we take the inverse sine of both sides. So the measure of angle B could be sine inverse of 32 sine 21 over 27, or you take 180 minus that answer. So this is approximately 25 degrees, or you could do 180 minus 25 degrees, which is going to be 155 degrees. So it's either 25 or 155. That's the end of the lesson.